first outdoor cook of 2021, and yes, I am excited. Guys, welcome back. Man, beautiful, almost spring here in the bluegrass, and we are excited. Guys, I'm gonna be out here on the Weber kettle, gonna use the Vortex, and I ran across this in a store a week or so ago. This is some Hooters wing breading, and I'm anxious to use this. I tried to find the Hooters sauces, but I ain't having much luck with that around here anyway. So we're gonna prepare this inside, get out here, gonna light this, get the charcoal on the Vortex, and bread up some wings. Looking forward to it, guys. Let's get going. Hey folks, I've got, we're probably right at 4 pounds of wings here. I've separated the drumettes and the flats and just discarded the flappers there. And the recipe just says just mix it directly with. It's a little damp from where I rinsed them off, but I think that'll help stick. And guys, per the directions, we're just gonna dump this in here. This will make up to 5 pounds. I'm just putting the whole thing in here, even though we just got, probably since I cut them up, less than 4 pounds. Add a lid. And we're just gonna give this thing a shake and hopefully the lid stays on. Got here. We'll have to do some more shaking. We will. No problems. Pull these out. Lay them on this pan. Let them hang out for a little bit. It's a tight squeeze, guys. Look at there. Okay, we're gonna put these in the fridge for about 15-20 minutes while we fire up the grill and bring it up to temperature. Since we're doing this outside on the grill and not deep frying it like would normally be done, I'm gonna go ahead and spray this down with just some cooking oil. And just to get a layer of oil on there. We're not using a lot though. It's gonna help it get good and crisp. I'm doing one side. I'll hit the other side once it's on the grill. Since this is breaded chicken, normally I do wings, I just let her rip wide open, 400 or 500 degrees, not a problem. We do have breading, so I'm gonna dial this back. I'm gonna try to dial this gauge back to about 370 degrees and see if we can't cook at that temperature. For sticking purposes, I'm just gonna hit these grates here with some ham also. Careful not to hit the fire. It is showtime, guys. Time to get these things on. Spread them throughout. Careful to put the dry side up so I can spray that side too. We're going to make another row. We're gonna make this work, folks. I'm gonna hit this side with some spray. Oops. Folks, I promise you, it's really not a lot of oil we're putting on here. All right, we will check back here in a little while. Guys, we're roughly 15 minutes in. I'm just gonna give these guys a flip. We're not there, but we're getting there. We'll come back in about 15 minutes and check on these and see where we're at. Alright folks, we're roughly 30 minutes into this and I want to get some temperatures, and I think we got a little ways to go. I think we're getting close there on the flats there that I can see. Actually that drumette's about 180. I want to try to get them up a little bit higher. I don't mind these getting up to around 190, even 200 on these wings. A little bit longer, guys. I'll try to keep the camera on outside as much as possible, but we're starting to lose daylight. I'm gonna give these guys a turn while I'm here. Okay, we're officially into an hour on this cook, guys. It's a little cooler out here. It's been about roughly 50 degrees outside. It's not as crispy as I wanted. I think some of the, oh, we're 203, yeah. I'm pulling these guys. But yeah, it's roughly 50 degrees today. I had a beautiful day, so I wanted to cook outside. I was originally gonna do this in the air fryer. Guys, I'm pulling these. I'll see you inside. We'll give this thing a taste test. Let me get my family fed though. Hey guys, that don't look too shabby for kettle fried wings. Hooters wings. I know it's not deep fried like theirs. I got some ranch dressing here as a dipper. I actually tried finding the Hooters sauce, but I was unsuccessful. This is another sauce that's new to me. This is the Frank's thick sauce. It's their spicy honey bourbon. I'm anxious to try that for the first time. Let's get a bite of this, guys. Folks, you have no idea how happy I am to be cooking on that kettle. I haven't done it in a while. Guys, that's a beautiful piece of chicken right there. Now these are not going to look exactly like Hooters because they're deep fried. I did this on the Weber kettle. I didn't even get it the crispest that I would normally get, but that's all right, let's give this a taste. I wish I had some Hooters to compare it to, but Hooters wings, that is. Guys, that is very tasty. I'm gonna grab another one here. I talked about that Frank's Red Hot thick sauce with spicy honey bourbon. I'm gonna give this a shot over here. I'm really curious about that. First taste. Wow. It's got a bite, but it is Frank's. Guys, that is delicious. It does got a bite. It definitely tastes like Frank's, but it's got that extra honey bourbon flavor to it that's really good. If you haven't tried the Hooters wing breading, give it a shot. I bet it'd be good with an air fryer too, or deep fried. Now, that's the way they recommend on the recipes, to deep fry. But either way, it's your choice. Guys, thank you so much. As always, we're coming into, it's gonna be spring soon, so you're gonna be seeing some more outdoor stuff. We got plenty of stuff more to come. So just getting into the year 2021 for us. So guys, thanks as always. We'll see you on the next video. God bless you, folks. Bye-bye. One more.